YouTube Shorts, there's a great deal of money in it, and you can create 100 of these in less than half an hour. So, firstly, I'm going to tell you why this works, and of course, I'm going to tell you with some examples. And then, of course, we're going to create. Right away, I want to show you some examples. Take a look at this channel. It's called Daily Facts, and they just make short videos, and they don't get a lot of views. So have a look at this one. So 5.7K views, 5.9K views, 5.9 again, 2.6, 13K, 10K. So there's not like 100,000 of views per each video. That's not needed, you know? And if you search for this channel on Social Blade, you will see that they get almost $40,000 per year. So that means they're getting $300,000 per month. So you don't need a lot of views. You don't need some great content. Because if you check some of these, have a look at this video. I mean, this is incredible, okay? I'm just gonna let it play for you so you can just see it. I'm just gonna turn down the voice. So you can see the text is like there, and the text is gonna change in the last seconds, okay? So you're able to see the text has been changed in the last seconds. That's how they guarantee the watch time, and of course, you're gonna do the same. And the best thing about this one is that you can mass produce. I've got another one. This one is really killing it, okay? It's called Daily Facts Worth. You can see 6.7K views, 4.9, 17K, 8K, 3.3, 3.2, but just have a look at this. Daily Facts Worth is having $35,000 per month. Okay, so that is huge deal of money. You know why this works? Well, because TikTok, all of that, they first started with these shorts videos. Now, YouTube is pouring loads of money into YouTube Shorts. So creators get a lot of money. And you can create these. I mean, that's not like a special video. You know, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to do the voiceover. You can just put the music in the background and just text over some stock footage, you know. That's why this is so easy, and I'm going to tell you how you can create this. Of course, for the creation, we're going to use Canva. But firstly, we need some ideas. That we can use ChatGPT. You can right away ask ChatGPT to give you 5 ideas for YouTube short channels, and right away it gives you like life hacks, quick recipes, mindfulness moments, fun facts. Here it is. So fun facts, we are gonna do that. But of course we have to niche down because the competitors right now, they have all these like daily fun facts. You will have to niche down. So for example, if you want to go with some hockey, I don't know, you're gonna go into the hockey niche. Now, what I suggest always to the people is that they just find something that they're passionate about. So if you like, I don't know, pets, go with that. It's going to be way easier for you to create the content and to stay consistent because that's all about that, okay? Consistency is the most important thing when you decide to make yourself a YouTube channel. Shorts, long-form content, it doesn't matter. Consistency is the key, okay? Dedication. So don't give up on this. Never, because it can bring you loads of money. Now, take a look at this. I have chosen some geography niche and I have asked ChatGPT the following. So I wanted it to create me a list of 40 different ideas for a YouTube channel based on the top 5 countries. For example, top 5 largest countries by population, and so on, so on. Then I asked it to put this into a chart format with the correct answers. Give each country rank, a specific column, and number the country as well. Now, it gave me ideas based on like channels in certain countries. So this is not what I was looking for, but you can use some of these, you know, you can always use what ChatGPT gives you and always look for this format and this like columns and all of that because we need that because you're going to open Google Sheets. You know what Google Sheets is? You can of course open just Excel spreadsheet on your computer and then make something like this. So this is, for example, some 40 ways to make money online. You can do that niche as well. I'm just showing you the examples. You can choose niche later. I'm just showing you what needs to be done. So when you make an Excel spreadsheet like this one, go to File and download this one as a CSV. Okay, so this is important. Don't take this one, CSV, comma separated values. This is what Canva is. Okay, Canva uses this and we need that. So whichever niche you put, just make like 50 videos, for example, over 100 if you want. Those are going to be your videos. that's going to be the text inside. So just make that Excel spreadsheet. Then go over to Canva, click on Create a Design, choose a video, and then firstly, you just have to change the format. That is done by clicking on the resize button, which is located here, and you just have to change these two. So 1080 is going to be here and 1920 is going to be here because we want that vertical video. So now it's going to be like this. So now it's going to look like this. We need that vertical video. And now the first thing that you want to do is to search for something that is called bulk create. You can find this in the apps, but if you can't find it, you can just search for Canva apps and it goes like this, bulk create. That is what we need if we want to make 100 shorts videos in a moment. So where is that? Here it is, bulk create. Click on bulk create. And what do you have to do now? You have to upload that one. But of course, in order to use this one, you have to get a subscription on Canva. But you don't have to pay for it right away. You can just start with the free trial. For example, that free trial is going to be 30 days, and you can just go and post those videos in those 30 days, see what's what, see if it's working for you, and then you can decide to continue with the subscription or not. So it's a good thing that Canva does. It gives you the free trial, so you don't have to pay for it at the start. And then, of course, we just have to see what people are doing. So they put some nature videos in the background, as you can see. So usually it's some water, it's some, I don't know, mountains. This one is doing the same as with these. So it's a sky or it's water or just some random stock footage video that you can find anywhere. Canva is, of course, full of those. So you can just go to design. You can search, for example, for the world. I'm just going to type it like this, world. And then I'm going to go, in fact, it is in elements. So I'm going to type in world. And then I'm going to go to videos. Now, you can see that most of these are behind a paywall, so it's a pro crown. You have to pay for it, but as I've told you, you can just get the free trial and then choose something. For example, this one is not behind a paywall. Put it like there and then just make this fit the whole screen. Now, what do we have to do now? Well, the only thing that we have to do now is to add a bit of a text. And of course, that text is what ChatGPT gave you. So, top 5 countries, I don't know, ways to make money online, whichever niche you take, you just write the text, okay? This is for you to do. I can go and complete the whole video, but the principle is the same. You now have to choose the niche. You have to take the ideas from ChatGPT and then just input all of that information into these videos, and bulk create is going to create thousands of these at the same time. So it's a cool thing to know. Next on, you just have to create a thumbnail. Of course, you can just go with Canva as well, and of course, just be dedicated and consistent. Now, I've told you that you use ChatGPT in order to get these ideas, but sometimes I don't like ChatGPT, and the reason for that is that it can't go online. It can't go and do the research online. It has pre-uploaded information and it just uses that. So my suggestion would be Bing. Now, Bing Chat is completely different. I mean, you will have to have an Edge browser. That's a bad thing. I mean, always we delete that one, right? It was Internet Explorer before. But what I like about this one is that it can do the research, okay? So it can give you the real-time information, okay? It can go online and it will give you the references. So references is something that it'll just show you where it went on the research, okay? So it'll just show you where it actually found the information online. Have a look at this. So I just used like this template here, and it'll give you these references on where it went on the research, you know? So you can double check the information that it gave you, or you can just ask it to search for more. That is a good thing, but of course it is just one part of the puzzle. You have to work for it, okay? You have to be dedicated. There is a lot of sweat in this business. You have to just put everything aside and just work on it. You can't fail. I mean, it is impossible to fail. Even if you fail, you will learn something and then you just start again. Or this will maybe lead you to completely new way to make money online. You just have to start with it, you know? I'm really sad when I see that 90% of the people that watch my videos, they end up doing nothing. And that's really a bad thing. So don't be one of those guys. Take some action and get them money, okay? Work on it. Work. I'll catch you.